So I've got this really nice brown sort of colour here, and now I'm going to have a go at rolling it a little bit. As you can see, I like to keep mine on a piece of paper. I find that you don't get so many bits of lint and that coming onto it. If you do get bits of lint, when you finish, what you can do is just take a piece of an emery board and just sand it off. Right, so I've got my knife, or I did have a second ago. I'm just going to cut a pumpkin type shape. So actually, let's cut it a bit thinner. Don't want them too thick. Remember, they want to be the size of your doll's hands. So you don't want them too big either. So I'm just going to sort of make it like an indentation. I sort of want it sort of that big. So sort of like that, like an indentation, so you can see it. And that will show you how big, the sort of size you're looking for. Push that knife blade out a little bit. So I'm coming from the top here. I'm going to have my little bit up here. That's going to be the top of my pumpkin. I'm just going to come around and cut it around so that I'm getting a nice sort of pumpkin-y type shape. Okay, and then bring that in here at the bottom and then out again. And then bring it all the way around and up to there. So there we go, and then remove this and hopefully it will come away. Yep, that's done quite nicely. Then I'm going to just pick it up, use my knife to scrape it off. Again, I got this knife from eBay. Things to look for is, I know that there's a polymer clay group which you can join, and they sell things, tools and that type of thing. And you can also look for a Facebook Marketplace. Quite often they have stuff on there. I buy virtually everything from Facebook Marketplace. Now where I did that mark, just go over with your finger and just ease that mark out with your finger. There, so you've got your pumpkin shaped cookie. Put that on there. So I've got that there, and it's all on the table ready. I'm just going to take my tool, and from the top I'm going to make a line coming all the way down, an indentation, so it looks like that part of the pumpkin there. And I'm going to come along this side and put that piece in as well. Okay, so you got that nice indentation. Go back over it and smooth it out and get it the shape you want it to be. Okay, and then the same on that side. I have seen these made into like charms and different things like that, and I'm just going to put another one. I think it could do with another one just here. Just going like that, coming down like that there. Just to give that sort of impression that it's got the lines on it. Yeah, that's good. And then coming here on the top, I'm just going to put some lines on for the top of my stalk. Like so. And there we go. And then we're going to use some chocolate chips, which are just brown, little brown bits of clay I've rolled into balls. I'm going to put them on his mouth and eyes, and probably nose as well. And there we go. Just layer them closely together. I want mine to be smiling, because the children are only 3, so I don't want it to be anything frightening them. That was the last thing we'd want to do, isn't it? Little tiny one in there. Put that in. That's it. And they've got a nice sort of smiley mouth. I'm going to get 2 bigger ones and pop them in his eyes. One like that. And I'll flatten that one a little bit. Pop that one in this and the other eye there. Yeah, and then I'll sort of wiggle that so it's the same sort of shape. And you can have a chocolate nose. There we go. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of white. Oops. And pop that in the centre. Give him some nice smiley eyes. 1. And 2. great on the table to do for the Halloween party with the dolls. And there you go. There is our pumpkin cookie.